Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we'll discuss about another tutorials, another topic and another series also. So let's start. I am sharing my screen. Okay, wait for a minute. Okay. Okay, so previous tutorials we discussed about JDBC, why we need JDBC, how to internal work in JDBC, and how to use in JDBC. Okay, this previous tutorial we just overview all the JDBC using real life example also. Okay, we will discuss about previous tutorial. So, next tutorial, these two tutorials, we will discuss about JDBC setup. Means how to set the JDBC, how to install JDK connector jar file, how to install JDK. So we will discuss on these tutorials. Okay. So JDBC setup means what? Getting your Java program ready to connect and talk to database. Okay, these are JD setup means what? They are like getting they are getting your Java code and ready to connect to database. It's like preparing everything before can go the talk with database like MySQL. Okay, so before we talking to the database like MySQL, MongoDB, whatever database we can use, then before we can preparing everything, so like everything how to set up the thing. So first setup, step one. Just a minute. I zoom the things. Then we will slide current window. Okay. So first step is JDB setup is install Java JDK. So before anything else, you need to install Java Development Kit JDK on your computers. Check it's already installed. If you are already installed in if you are already having your window in JDK, then open command prompt and terminals and tap Java version. Check which version we have to install it. Okay. Then I already install. Okay. If you're not installed for this, see, then we just go to the eh, this link. We can just search. Okay. Java JDK downloaded. Okay. See. Yeah. Same as. Okay. Then scroll down. Okay. Then go to the Windows. Okay, we can install in what? This. Okay, I already have. We just flow this link. We have to click on this, right? First click on this. Just a minute. Wait for okay. What happening? Okay, you already downloaded. See, she's already downloaded. But in my Windows already have. Then I just cancel. Okay, cancel. Actually, I click 2 times. That's why they are installing 2 times. Okay, but you are already installed on your computer. Then what we'll do? We just click on this and type on command prompt. COM. This one. Yes, click and write Java space. So my Java version is what? 1.8 means right version. Okay, so we just check. First, if you are not installed, first install this according to the uh, link. Okay, and then go to the check from go to the command prompt and type where Java space minus versions. Okay, and click on enter. Whatever your versions are there, we just showing. And second one is what? It's also very important because we are talking with two main peoples, means two main tools. Like first one is JDK, second one the JDK why install, because we are writing Java code. And the second one is MySQL, is why we install MySQL, because we are talking with the database. That's why we are installing MySQL database, right? Okay, according to this, if you are beginner, if you are not installing in MySQL database, then go with the this. Okay, we go with the this. Okay, and write MySQL download for Windows. Okay, just click on this. Okay, yeah. So yes, so we install and according to your byte. Okay, we just according to your window bit, we just install on this. Just click on download. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Then step three is what? See, after installing the database MySQL, we click start MySQL server and create a database example MyDB, and create a table, means example users. We will discuss further how to like create database. We will already tutorial already have already we make tutorials of SQL, and how to like write a query of insert, update, and delete, okay, etc. So how to create a database, how to create a tables using CLI, means command prompt. Okay. So I already done for these tutorials of SQL. Please watch for previous tutorials also. Okay. So second step is what? Download JDBC drivers. So how to download JDBC drivers? Just we search on, go to the browser and type MySQL JDBC driver download. Okay, click on this. Yes, we just select platform independent. Okay, and we create on with zip file. Then we just create on this. Okay, but okay, I install. No thanks, just I start my download. Okay, already installed. Wait for a second. Okay. Hmm, yes. Open. Yes. Already downloaded. Then now we just extract. Okay. Where is extract all? Okay. Browse. Oh, sorry. I just okay. Extract. Actually, I'm the typing something thing like I'm insert some another folder, but it's okay. It's fine. Wait for a minute. It's extract everything. Okay. We just do extract everything. Then go to the fourth step. What we'll do? Add JDBC driver to your Java project. Okay. Then open Eclipse. Okay, I already, okay. They already extract, right? Go to the this is a jar file. This jar file is like insert on libraries on our Java project. Okay. Then go to the Eclipse. Okay. Hope so you install an Eclipse also. If you are doubt on how to install Eclipse, please comment on chat box also. Okay. I will uh, I will create another tutorials how to install Eclipse. Okay. And I already use Java Advanced work Java Advanced with PCS. Okay. Launch. Just to minimize the things. Wait for a second. Okay. Already there. Just okay. It's fine. New we create in Java project. If your Java project not showing in this, then go to the other. Yes. Here. Next. Okay. So JDBC demo. Okay. Then click on finish. No. Okay. Yeah. We done already creating a Java project. But how to connect the jar files? Then this is the steps. Okay. So add a JDBC driver to your Java files. How to we will do that? Now we need to add a Java to your Java project. If you are using Eclipse, okay. So right click on project, build path, add external jar file, select .jar file. If you are using IntelliIG, then go to the files, then project structure, then libraries, then add the jar file. Okay. And if you are using a Maven, just add the pom.xml means this is the dependency. We go with the pom.xml and this dependency we just inserted. Okay, we just automatically connect with the database. Okay, so let's start. We just add the jar files, then new, no new, go to the build path, configure build path. Okay, then go to the libraries. Okay, and module path, add external jar file. Okay. Okay. See, already there. MySQL connector. Click on apply. And click on apply and close. Okay. So see, our jar file has been connected on in particular Java project. Okay. So okay. So step 4 has been done. Go with the step 5. Okay, so create a database tables and use MySQL terminal on Workbench to create your database and tables. So example, create a tables like this. I already done how to create a database and tables in SQL tutorials. Please watch out. Okay. So this step has been skipped because we already done this. So step 6 is what? Write a JDBC code. Now we ready to write a code. All the step we have already done. So now we ready to write a Java code using JDBC to first connect to the database, insert or fetch data or update or delete records. We are write the step by step for this step in next tutorial. Okay. For this now, with all the done, so how to JDBC setups, how to install JDK, how to install MySQL database, how to install um, jar files, MySQL connector jar files, and how to add jar file in our Java project. Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks for listening our videos. Thanks for watching our videos and keep learning, keep motivating. If you have doubt in anything, please comment on chat box. I will solve your each and every queries. So thank you so much. Please take care of yourself. Keep motivating, keep growing, and never give up. Bye bye.